Hi guys, I'm Dan. Welcome to HTML tutorial. In this video, you will learn about text formatting in HTML. If you stay until the end of the video, you will learn how to format the content for a website. First, if you observe here in the left, you have the content from this page. Now, if you want to format this title, this is the title for content, you must use headings. And what I write is heading 1. Heading 1 specify this is the most important heading of the content. If I write heading 6 and I save, you observe now the size of the text is decreased. That means this heading is least important heading. And you have the option from 1 to 6. For example, if you want to choose 4, you can choose 4, and now we have a bigger size, for example 2, and so on. But the most font size for the headings is heading 1. Then if you observe, you have some paragraph. To add the text to the content, you must use paragraphs, and it's defined with p tags, and you can use how many paragraphs if you want. And if you observe, you have also a new line after each paragraph. Now let's look how to create bold text. To create bold text, you have strong tag, and if you observe, you create a bold text. If you want to create italic text, you must use em tag. And now I have HTML with italic. After that, let's look to another content formatted for the text. For example, let's add hard, and I want to delete this. Okay. And now if you observe hard, it's we have a dash through in. HTML is easy to learn. Another text formatting, it's hasher. For example, I can add a horizontal line. That means, and if you observe, I have a horizontal line between the headings and between the text. Also, if you want to add more space between these two paragraphs, you can add br tags, which means break line. And if you observe, you have now space between these paragraphs. And the last thing you must know for today, it's how to add a comment in HTML. To add a comment in HTML, the syntax is not easy to remember, but you can learn. It's not so difficult. And this is a comment in HTML. Now, if you observe, nothing happened in the page, but if I go to view source, you observe this comment, it's already written. Okay, that's all for today. If you're already watching on this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.